Struggling to make soft millet chapati that doesn't break? Today I'll show you a simple trick to make perfectly soft millet roti every single time. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a super healthy and delicious millet chapati. Perfect if you're avoiding wheat or looking for a gluten-free option. For this recipe we need only 4 ingredients. 1 cup millet flour. You can use ragi, jowar or bajra. 1 cup water. 1/8 teaspoon salt. 2 teaspoons vegetable oil. Step 1, mixing. First add water into a pan. Bring it to a boil. Add the salt and let it dissolve. Now add the millet flour into the hot water. This is the secret to soft chapati. Use hot boiling water. Mix the flour well to incorporate the water for around 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon vegetable oil and mix well. Now pour the mixture into a plate and allow it to cool down until it is easier to handle with our fingers. Step 2, kneading. Knead the mixture into a soft dough while it's still warm. Use your fingers to stretch and roll the dough like this for around 5 minutes. When it is soft and comes together into a soft dough, coat with 1 teaspoon oil to prevent the dough from drying. Key tip: millet dough should be soft, not dry, otherwise it will crack when rolling out. Place dough in a bowl and cover. Set aside for about 10 minutes. Step 3, shaping. Break the dough into small balls. Take a small portion and roll it gently between your palms to smoothen the dough. This is an important step to prevent cracks. Don't skip this step. Tip 3. Roll between palms to smoothen the dough. This is important to prevent cracks. I got 5 dough balls from 1 cup millet flour. Step 4, cooking. Dust some millet flour on a rolling board. Then press a dough ball and roll out gently to the thinness required. Look at that. The dough is rolling out easily without sticking or breaking. We can get a nice round shape easily. This should be good enough for cooking. But if you would like a perfectly round shape, just use any cutter or lid and press the roti. Take out uneven edges. And there you have it, a beautiful round millet roti. Cook on a medium hot pan. Use an iron griddle or tawa if you have one. Otherwise, a non-stick chapati pan should be good too. Cook on one side. Once bubbles appear, flip over and cook the other side. Flip over and watch as the chapati magically puffs up. At this stage, the millet chapati is well cooked. but you can flip a few times and press all around if you want to cook it until slightly brown. Tip 4. Press lightly for even cooking. This helps millet chapati to stay soft. Continue cooking until all the chapatis are done. Millet chapati for kids. Here's an easy way to introduce healthy millet chapatis to your kids. Make tiny millet chapatis like this. It is a great way to get kids interested in eating these delicious millet chapatis. Serving. Look at this, soft, flexible and no cracks at all. Serve it with a curry or chutney. Today I have some lady's finger stir fry and a spinach saag, my favorite ways to enjoy millet roti. This tastes so good. Millet is so filling, so we tend to eat less. This helps in weight management. If you enjoyed this healthy millet chapati recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which millet you prefer, ragi, jowar or bajra. See you in the next video.